Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if your Claude projects are not working. So, if Claude projects isn't working, you may be unable to create a project, open existing project, upload files, or organize chats. The issue is often caused by temporary server outage, browser problems, or account related restrictions. So, try these fixes. So, first, check if Claude is down. So, before troubleshooting, make sure the problem isn't on Anthropic's end. So, if Claude is experiencing an outage or maintenance, projects may be temporarily unavailable. Next is to refresh the Claude page. So, a temporary loading error can prevent projects from opening. So, refresh the page or close it completely, just like so, and reopen it and see if that solves the problem. You can also sign back into your account. So, you can log out and sign back in and see if that solves the issue. Next is to check your internet connection. So, go to your phone settings, then open Wi Fi and see if you're connected to a stable connection. So, a slow or unstable connection may prevent projects from loading properly. You can restart your router if needed. You can try another Wi Fi network or mobile hotspot, or you can disable any VPN or proxy temporarily to see if it resolves the issue. And that's it. Thank you for watching.